It's just tossing and turning. Yeah, man.
Is this what they've been waiting for? I'm back at it.
Yellow world. You remember what I was telling you about? Man, this happened. Drippy Mack HOLLA BACK. Yeah, man. I'm gonna do some frog legs. Gigantic. Yeah. Y'all just hit that button. Let's see. Subscribe. Oh my. I said subscribe. Oh my. I'm about to let y'all have the business. Yeah. Gigantic. And you know, you gotta season everything with love. Extra virgin olive oil. Hit it in the pan. I'm gonna put it in the pan. It's gigantic. Drop it in the pan. Oh yeah, big girl scene, man. Oh, remember girl, Oliver? She take the heat. Oh yeah, them frog legs. We would have sauteed them down in that curb Irish butter. You hear me? Yeah, like we got like word from my mother. You hear me? We're gonna take some. That fella's like this, shit like that. Oh yeah, and put right here, onion, purple. Then with the green, yeah, like that. What's your thing? Savory. So beautiful. Oh. Yeah. Gotta do it like that. Look, smoke paprika. HOLLA BACK is the back. Give me the color, yeah. Onion powder. Don't care about it. You don't care about it. Look, onion powder. Yeah. And so what? That's doing that thing. I be doing our thing. Yeah. I forgot my old baby. You hear me? Oh, baby. I like you, baby. But anyways, we're gonna drop it a little bit. Yeah. Out there. Oh, babe. Oh, babe. Oh, babe. I mean, oh, babe. Finally, I'm gonna lay him down. Yeah. You ready now? I know it. You ready now? Get it ready. Then we're gonna underfry it. Yeah. Get it ready. That's to the fire. Yeah. Smoked paprika. Yeah. That's my next new sneakers. Yeah, I like smoked paprika. That's my next new sneakers. Smoked paprika. Yeah. Tossing and turning. Woo! It's tossing and turning. It's just tossing and turning. Yeah, man. Tossing and turning. Yeah, man. You gotta toss and turn.